Hi guys, welcome. Today's video is going to be an exciting video. Also guys, just sorry about the noise. People are deciding to still be people. Anyways guys, welcome. So today's video is going to be something that's very exciting. And then now my blinds decide to act up. Okay, are we cool now? Anyway, so today's video is going to be something that I enjoy and that I thought I would share with you guys. So it's going to be a hairstyle video, and not just any hairstyle. It's going to be mini twist hairstyles, easy and pretty, and yeah, that's all pretty hairstyles. So I've seen a lot of people that I know when they wear twists, they just keep it like this in a bun, or it's normally used as like a base and then they pop a wig on. But then I was like, y'all are sleeping. There are so many hairstyles that you can do with twists, and that's where I come in. And of course, I want to show you guys those simple, easy, pretty hairstyles for you guys to try. And also, you don't have to just have twists to try these hairstyles. You can also do it on your natural hair or without twists. Does that make sense? I'm not making sense right now, so I think let's just jump right into it. So I had to bring you guys a bit closer for you guys to see this whole hairstyle. First hairstyle, you'll need a scarf. It can be any scarf you find pretty, and then you'll need your hair tie. So I'm just gonna untie my twists. I've had these twists for how long have I had this? I think it's been like 3 days. My hair grows quickly, so well, it doesn't grow quickly, it frizzes very quickly. So hairstyles just tend to look like they've been on my hair for like 8 years. So anyway, take 2 pieces out in front, just like so. Okay, mine is not sitting flat. I should have slipped with the hair flat like this, but anyways. So then I'm gonna take my hair tie and just tie a low bun, your scarf, and put it into a triangle like so. I don't know if you guys can see my little triangle, and make it small, like just roll it like this. Okay, and then I like to just tuck in that loose piece. Okay, and then get your scarf and just put it like so, like so. And it would be cute to put some baby hairs, guys, just like lay your edges. And then what I like to do is just tie like a little knot. It's as simple as that, and there you go. And then I just like to pull the scarf a bit, like make it a bit full, just to show how cute this scarf is, because why would you want to hide it? Okay, and there you go, the first hairstyle. For the next one, we're gonna use the scarf again. You're just gonna take out like a section, could just even be just your fringe. Just take out a section of hair, like have it like so. I just took up some in front. Again, gonna tie this hair up, but this time we're gonna tie it up into a high bun. Look at my gains, yo! Then you're gonna take your scarf. This time, you're just gonna keep it as a triangle, how it looks like so. And then, I hope this works, please work. Imagine it doesn't work on camera. Tilt your hair down, take your scarf, put it over like so, and then just bring it in and tie it around. Okay, we're gonna first tie the 2 pieces at the back like this, and then you can just tuck this loose piece. You can just tuck that in. The loose piece, you're just gonna tuck in the scarf like so. Just tuck it into the hair a bit. There should be some gap, and adjust the hair that you left out, and there you have it. Kind of want to put this a bit back, and there you go. So for the next hairstyle, you're gonna need these elastics. You're just gonna need 2, and you can literally find this anywhere. Still keep the hair that we took out for the previous hairstyle, and then you're gonna just take half of your hair, so just behind your ear. What I'm gonna do is make 2 pigtails, but we're gonna make 2 cute bun pigtails. So take the elastic and then just tie. I hope it doesn't snap on me. These elastics aren't really strong, but I like to not use elastics that are too strong because I feel like it just breaks my hair, especially elastics. And then you're gonna take the hair and then just roll it up into a bun, just a cute little bun. Then you're gonna do the same on the other side. I'll straighten my twist out because especially if you have afro or kinky hair, it kind of curls up and shrinks obviously. So what I like to do is just kind of like try stretch it out. Instead of doing the 2 half pigtails, what you can also do is just do like 2 pigtails. This is also a style that I like to do because it just makes me look very young, like super young. So I like this type of hairstyle. Oh, and there goes the elastic. Okay, let's try again. Guys, these elastics are so weak. So basically, you just divide your hair into 2 sections and then tie it. Please don't snap on me.
The frustration.
And here we go. Managed to not snap the elastics, but this is also another cute way to wear the pigtails, normal pigtails with some hair out. Okay guys, so for the next hairstyle, I like this hairstyle if I want something more polished. So what I like to do is divide the hair into 2 sections again, and then take out 2, actually I'll take out 1 piece. Take out 1 piece on each side, and then what you're gonna do is just twist your hair from the start all the way to the end. So, and the twist doesn't have to be like super neat. It can just be like a very quick one. It's still gonna look cute. Just like that. Just gonna do a loose twist just to have that stay like this for now, and then do the same on the other side. Okay, then you're gonna take the 2 pieces and then just undo that loose twist that you did at the end, and then just bring them together. Take your hair tie, this one is a strong one, and then just tie it up. You can leave it loose like so, or you can tie in a bun. I like to put it in a bun, so just gonna make it into a bun, and there you have it. If you want to zhuzh this hairstyle a bit more, what I like to do sometimes is also add beads into the mix. So I just take a string. I don't have that bead applicator to put the the beads on the hair, so I just use a string, put it like so, and this loop, I grab the hair, put my hair through, and then drag the beads in until it gets on the hair, and then the string comes out by itself. And then I'm just going to take the elastic and then grab a piece of my hair and then just roll it up. Take your elastic and then just secure it. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Where's my bead? My bead, not the bead. What did I think about that? The bead. Uh-oh. Yeah, okay. Well, one side of the hair is shorter than the other side. It's annoying, especially when I do this hairstyle, because one just hangs lower, but it ain't that deep, as you guys can see, like this. And that's also a cute way to just add onto the hairstyle. You could even put multiple beads. I also like to do that sometimes, like I'll put 2 big ones and then 2 small ones. That's also a cute way to just style up this hairstyle a bit more. But this is the last hairstyle. What do you guys think? So guys, we've come to the end of the video. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys will try any of the hairstyle, which hairstyle is your favorite, and let me know if you guys would like to see more hairstyles. I have a lot, guys, because this is just, it's just a thing, you know. I don't know what thing it is, but I just love it. I think it's a cute and easy way to just look good without fuss, you know. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. What is this? I will never stop spirit fingers. Bye.